Hi, it's Susan from Escapes, and we are in Pompeii. This has been one of the most interesting tours I've ever been on. A mountain erupted and killed 12,000 people. We've been walking all around the ruins that they've currently found. There's still 30% that they haven't unearthed as yet. What does travel do for you? It expands your mind. It makes you realize that you're just a small little cog in a huge wheel. I tell you, travel is amazing. If you get a chance to do this, you should try.
To explore first. Sand soldiers. We really send archaeologists. Big mistake. He didn't really have. As a matter of fact, archaeology, like we mean today, started with the discovery of Pompeii, with the discovery of Vesuvius. But also for another reason, they were expecting to find a big city. Let's imagine that this was all covered, 90 feet up to 100 feet. Volcanic materials. So the soldiers entered the Roman city with a tunnel.
We're walking on the actual street up to the entrance of Pompeii. All these colors survived.
Fresh. If you do so, you create a kind of chemical reaction. Colors fix in the plaster, they become water resistant. I mean, this is something that not even certain Leonardo da Vinci was able to do. The Romans were such an advanced civilization, sophisticated. Notice the point. They knew exactly how to use the 3D. It's 3 dimensions. They knew the perspective. Usually at school we studied that the perspective was invented during the Middle Ages. This is not true. With the collapse of the Roman Empire, we lost all of this information. How come it's not discovered in space? What a thing, isn't it? Time to go, my friends. It's really getting...
This was the marketplace. One of the largest houses here, and there was only 4 people living here and 8 slaves.
Don't go yet, one second, let's give them the priority. So, what goes on here? A house. First thing you build is the cistern. Cistern for the water. It's in the underground. They get the rainwater. They collect the rainwater from the roof. That had a square opening in the middle. So on a rainy day, the water enters the house. And beneath, you have the cistern. big reception room though, surrounded by small bedrooms, essentially decorated, just a bed, no pieces of furniture. Pieces of furniture were upstairs. They live in the second floor. 1975, they rebuilt the house on the side to give us the idea of how big was the house. This is the house of the big fountain I was telling you before. But who belongs to this house? Actually, a family involved in construction. The name is Sabine. How do we know it? In the living room, which is here, they found a marble table with usually on top objects, jewels. They found a ring. It was the print of the family, S-A-B-I-N-I, Sabine. More personal objects. The living room, the place where the family lives. We found a cell phone, laptop, large video screen. On the other side of the garden, on the other side of the living room, garden. Gold, essentially decorated with a beautiful mosaic. And you see there's a frame made of seashells. Original seashells. Now it makes me think about the column I was pointing you right out there, the column that got bombed by these volcanic rocks. That's heavy marble, partially gets damaged. These survived intact.
Any theory as to why it's not centered in the columns?
No, it is, well, the columns were found on the ground.
Oh, they just set that, so
yes,
they just set that the column back up, because it had to have been centered.
Like the,
What are the base
gazebo on
support?
top. The part
Right,
on top
yeah.
is being rebuilt to protect during the rain.
Stefano, what is the material supporting the roof?
Oh, it's wood.
It's wood. Is that original
No,
wood?
this is
No,
rebuilt.
this is
This got rebuilt. A big house. Huge house.
This is the original bath house. One for women and one for men. Covered for centuries, and they're unearthing it even now as we speak.
That's the free time space where they could be sitting on the benches, having conversation.
Don't stop at the end. Step inside. The ceiling is spectacularly, it's so beautiful decorated. So I mean, you actually enter from the feel the room.
Questo presidente guidava addirittura non e per farsi pubblicitare tutto questo set scrivendo che successo fu una cartina con la rivelazione della famiglia dicendosi che ho regalato questa cosa di ricordare
There's a local place for enormous amount of work.
그리고 무서워서 코 가리고 이를 쭈그려 앉아있던 거야?
저게 좀 뭐가 있어?